Peacock farming is a more lucrative business with less labor. They are among the highly priced birds. You will be able to start small-scale peacock farming with little investment. Commercial peacock farming can be a great employment source for the rural people, especially for the unemployed educated young people. Peacock are not raised for their meat or eggs, but they are highly valued in the market. Peacock features also have huge demand and value for decorating houses. Peacock features have a great popularity internationally. Peacocks are very beautiful, and their feathers attract almost all types of people. They are very entertaining, and it's very pleasuring to monitor their activities. Peacock farming is just like raising other poultry birds, such as chicken, ducks, geese, turkey, quail, swan etc. And raising them is very easy and simple. Peacock are suitable for commercial raising both in the town and village areas. Dear viewers, today in this video we will try to explain the method of peacock rearing step by step, and advantages and disadvantages. For keeping commercial peacocks, contact with your nearest wildlife service centers and learn whether commercial peacock farming is permitted in your area or not. If government permission is required for commercial peacock rearing, permission must be obtained first. First of all, try to complete a training for raising and caring the peacock. You can visit some existing farms and ask them for training. Having practical knowledge is very important. Peacocks are generally calm birds, but females can be aggressive when defending their eggs or chicks. Male birds can be aggressive when defending their territory. A peacock's lifespan is 15 to 30 years. You can use your backyard or existing land for starting this business. Just ensure that electricity, water, and good transportation system is available in your selected location, because all these are very important for starting this business. Usually, 100 square feet space required for each bird. Build a 8 feet shed or shelter for the birds. Provide straw, light, hanging dishes, and elevate the water to prevent contamination from fecal deposits. Make sure the shed is ventilated, secure from escape via flying, and provide roosting places for them. Peafowls do not bathe in water like other pheasants. They clean themselves by vigorously rubbing their plumage in dust and dry soil. They love to have dust baths. Peacock are omnivorous. They eat almost everything, whether any plant or animal matter. Wild figs, berries, and nuts are favorite foods in season, but seeds, grain, and leaves are staple items all year. They also love to catch and eat mice, frogs, small snakes, various types of small mammals, various types of insects such as ants, grasshoppers, termites etc. Peacock don't drink water frequently, like other domestic poultry birds. Usually, they drink water during their midday rest, and while eating in late afternoon. They drink again just before going to roost. You can also feed your peacock a wide range of crops and fruits such as bananas, chili, groundnut, paddy, tomato etc. If you have any peacocks, you can feed them turkey starter feed, boiled chicken eggs etc. Pair a male peacock with about 6 peahens for best results. Mating starts with an elaborate dance by the male to attract the attention of the female. The more elaborate the dance and display, the better attracted is the female. Vocalization in courtship is a primary way to attract female. Peahen lays about 5 to 10 eggs in breeding season, and takes 28 to 30 days for eggs to hatch.